So, you want to regain access to your iPhone when you have forgotten the passcode? I got you. For iPhone users in the USA and everywhere, forgetting a passcode can be stressful, but Apple provides official ways to recover access, though these methods will erase your data to protect your security. If you have a computer, you can put your iPhone into recovery mode and use Finder or iTunes to restore it, which erases everything, including the passcode, allowing you to set it up anew and restore from a backup if you have one. If your iPhone is on a recent iOS version and connected to a network, you might see an Erase iPhone option on the lock screen after several failed passcode attempts, which also erases it using your Apple ID password. Another way is to use the Find My service on iCloud.com or another Apple device to erase your iPhone remotely. All these official Apple methods will delete your data, so hopefully you have a recent backup. And that's it.